Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make leaf in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's start. Go to Toolbar on left side. Go to Rectangle tool. Click and hold on small triangle. You will see the other tools. Select Ellipse. Now just click on Artboard. Enter values in dialog box. Enter width and height 100 px and press OK. You just draw a circle. Select black arrow from toolbar or press V. Click on circle and press Alt key. You will see arrow change into double arrow white and black. It's mean you are ready to copy the object. Alt and drag the shape to copy. Now select both circles by Shift and click and press Alt and click to copy to another place. Arrange all two shapes like this. Now select all shapes by Shift and click. Go to Windows menu. Choose Pathfinder. Select Intersect button. This will convert the shapes into one shape. Here is your first leaf. Change the size, width, height or both to see the variations. To change the size, simply select the object and drag from any side with Shift. Drag inwards or outwards, it will change the size proportionally. You can rotate the object by selecting, and when arrow change into rotate sign. Slightly rotate the object, and see the difference. Amazing! Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.